Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Python onto your Windows operating system and also write your first program using Python. So for that, just go to your favorite browser and just search for download Python and just go to this first link from python.org. So here you can just click on download Python. So once the exe file is downloaded, let me just go into the folder, and now if I just double click onto this, so this will open the installer. So let me just check on this use admin privileges, and at the same time let me just add the Python exe to the path. So here, so if I just click on this customize installation, so this will install the pip and IDLE and other things as well. So let me just click on next. So here let me just click on install Python 3.1.2 for all users, and let me just click on install. So this will now start installing the Python. So the installation is successful. So let me just close this one and let me just close everything from here. So now if I just open the command prompt, so let me just search for command prompt here, and now if I just type Python hyphen version, so you can see the Python 3.1.2.1 has been successfully installed into our system. So once the Python is installed, so let me just download the Pycharm as well, or you can just set up in VS Code as well. So for now, so I will install Pycharm. So let me just go into the browser and search for Pycharm. So let me just go into this first link from jetbrains.com. So here let me just click onto this download button here. So just click on download. So here you can see, so this is for the paid version. So if you just scroll down, so you can see the community edition here. So let me just click on download. So once this exe file is downloaded, let me just go into the folder and let me just double click onto this exe file. So this will open the installer here. So let me just click on next. You can just keep everything as default, and let me just click on next, just press on next. So this will install the Pycharm into our system. So here you can see the Pycharm has been successfully installed. So let me just click on finish and let me just close this one. So if I just go into the start menu here and search for Pycharm, so you can see the Pycharm community edition. So let me just click on this one. So this will open the Pycharm. So let me just accept the user agreement. So let me just click on continue. So you can just click on send anonymous data. So here you can see the welcome page of Pycharm. So let me just click on new project here, and you can just give the name something like hello world, or you can just give any name. And so here you can see the Python version. So let me just choose the latest which we have installed. So it has automatically detected the version which we have just installed, so we don't need to do anything. So let me just click on create. So this will create the new Python project. So here you can see, so this is creating the virtual environment here. So once all the dependencies are installed, so let me just go here onto this hello world project here. So if I just right click here, so you can see the new, and you can just simply choose this Python file. So you can just give the name something like hello and just click enter. So this will create the file with .py extension. So here you can just simply write the program you want to get the output of. So just type print, and let me just write something like hello world. And so if I just right click and click on run hello, so here you can see the output hello world. So this is how you can write your first program using Pycharm. So similarly, let me just do the same thing with VS Code as well. So for that, let me just click on exit here and go into the browser and search for download VS Code, and just go into this first link from code.visualstudio.com. So just go inside here. So let me just simply download for Windows. So once this exe file is downloaded, let me just go into the folder and let me just double click to install this VS Code as well. So let me just accept the license agreement. So let me just click on next, just press on next and keep everything as default. So this will start installing the VS Code into our system. So this will automatically launch the VS Code. So let me just click on finish and let me just close everything from here. So once the VS Code is installed, so let me just go into this extension tab here. So here, so we just need to search for extension called Python. So just search for Python. So let me just click here. So this will install the Python extension. Just click on install. So once this extension is installed, so let me just go into the Explorer here and let me just click on open folder, and let me just go into the desktop and let me just create a new folder and just give the name something like hello and just click enter, and let me just click on select folder. So inside this folder, so the folder has been opened. So let me just trust the authors. So just create a new file with the .py extension. So you can just give the name something like hello.py and just click enter. So inside here, so let me just write the program something called print and you can just write something like hello world, and let me just type Control and S to save. And if I just click here to run the program, so just click here, and so this will run the program here. So you can see the output hello world here. So this is how you can run the Python program in VS Code as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.